The Sonos Ace and Sony Xm5 are bringing the heat in the ultimate wireless speaker showdown. These bad boys are packed with mind-blowing sound quality and smart features that'll make your music-loving heart skip a beat. But wait, with so much awesomeness going on, picking between these two can be a real head-scratcher. That's why in today's video, we're going to compare them on everything from audio performance and design to smart capabilities and price. So, does the Sonos Ace have what it takes to dethrone the Sony Xm5 champion? Let's find out. Let's kick things off with the all-important price tag. After all, we've gotta know if these bad boys are gonna break the bank or leave us with enough cash for a pizza party. The Sonos Ace came out on June 5th with a price tag of $449. The Sony Xm5 Xm5, on the other hand, launched at $399, but here's the kicker. They're often on sale. Right now, you can snag a pair for around $250. That's a whopping $200 less than the Sonos Ace. Alright, let's get superficial for a moment and talk about looks, because let's face it, if you're dropping this kind of cash on headphones, you want them to look good on you. The Sonos Ace is bringing that sleek, minimalist vibe that Sonos is known for. They've got this cool anti-fingerprint coating on the ear cups, so they stay looking fresh no matter how many times you handle them. And get this. The Sonos logo actually shimmers when it catches the light. Cool, right? Comfort-wise, they're pretty solid for most people. The headband and ear pads are wrapped in this soft, plush vegan leather that feels great. They're lightweight and don't clamp down on your head like a vice grip. One really cool feature of the Ace is that the hinges and joints are hidden inside the headphones. Not only does this give them a super clean look, but it also means your hair won't get caught. No more accidental headphone dreadlocks. The Ace comes in two colors, classic black or soft white for those who like to keep things light. And here's a neat little detail, the ear cup mesh is slightly different shades for left and right, so you can tell at a glance which way to put them on. No more awkward moments of realizing you've had them on backwards all day. Now let's talk about the Sony Xm5. These bad boys actually pioneered the hidden hinges look that the Ace is rocking. They've got this noiseless design with smooth edges and sweeping lines that just scream premium. The Xm5 is made from recycled plastics, but don't let that fool you, they still feel high-end. The headband uses ABS sliders, and both the headband and ear cups are padded with comfy memory foam. Both headphones fold flat for easy storage, so no worries about them taking up too much space in your bag. Now it's time to get into the nitty-gritty, the features that make these headphones more than just fancy earmuffs. The Sonos Ace is keeping it old school with physical buttons. Some might say that's a step backward, but let's be real. There's something satisfying about feeling that click when you press a button. Plus, you don't have to worry about accidental touches messing with your tunes. On the tech side, the Ace is packing Bluetooth 5.4 and supports lossless audio through Snapdragon Sound's aptX Lossless and Apple's ALAC codecs. Translation: your music is gonna sound crisp and clear. Battery life on the Ace is solid. You're looking at 30 hours with both Bluetooth and noise cancellation turned on. And if you're in a rush, a quick 3-minute charge will give you 3 hours of listening time. Not too shabby. One of the coolest features of the Ace is something called TV Audio Swap. This lets you take the sound from your Sonos Arc soundbar and pump it straight into your headphones. Perfect for when you want to binge watch your favorite show without disturbing your roommates. The Sony Xm5 is no slouch in the features department either. They've got a 30mm carbon fiber composite driver that's both lightweight and rigid. They're rocking Sony's DSEE Extreme engine, which can take your compressed music files and make them sound almost as good as high-res audio. The Xm5 also has some cool features like quick attention. Cover the right ear cup with your hand to lower the volume and hear what's going on around you. And Speak to Chat starts a conversation by pausing your music and letting in ambient sound when you start talking. One big advantage the XM5 has is Bluetooth multipoint. This lets you connect to two devices at once and switch between them seamlessly. So you can be jamming to tunes on your phone and quickly switch over to a Zoom call on your laptop without missing a beat. That said, both headphones are packed with awesome features that'll make your listening experience top-notch. And hey, speaking of top-notch experiences, don't forget to check out those links in the description for top-notch deals on both these awesome headphones. Now, let's talk about how these headphones actually sound. The Sonos Ace, unfortunately, doesn't quite live up to the hype in this department. The sound is okay. It's not bad, but it's not exactly mind-blowing either. The biggest issue is that everything tends to blend together a bit. Bass-wise, the Ace brings plenty of boom, but it tends to gloss over some of the finer details. This can leave you feeling a bit underwhelmed, especially on tracks that should really pack an emotional punch. The Ace does a bit better with TV audio, and its spatial audio feature does help to open up the soundstage a bit. But there have been some reports of lip-syncing issues and audio crackles during viewing. Hopefully Sonos can iron these out with a firmware update. Now let's switch gears to the Sony Xm5, and guys, we're in a whole different ballpark here. The Xm5 brings clarity and openness that's hard to beat. The timing and rhythm are spot on, making it easy to get lost in the music. Dynamically, there's a lot more going on. You can really hear the ebb and flow of the music. One area where the Xm5 really shines is in the low end. The bass is precise and well controlled, adding depth to your music without overwhelming it. And when it comes to detail, the Xm5 is like a musical microscope, letting you hear nuances you might have missed before. In today's noisy world, good noise cancellation can be a game changer. So, how do our contenders stack up? The Sonos Ace offers 3 modes: full active noise cancellation, aware mode, and off. You can toggle between ANC and aware using a button on the right ear cup, but you'll need to use the app to turn it off completely. How well does it work? Well, it's decent. Background noise is definitely reduced, but it's not the cone of silence you might be hoping for. Some frequencies still sneak through that other high-end headphones would catch. Now let's talk about the Sony Xm5. Sony has long been a leader in noise cancellation, and the Xm5 continues that tradition. The Xm5 uses 8 microphones, the same number as the Ace actually, and can automatically optimize the noise cancellation based on your environment. Step from a quiet street into a noisy cafe, the Xm5 will adjust on the fly. The result is impressive. The Xm5 creates a much more pronounced quiet bubble around you, blocking out a wider range of frequencies. If you're looking for serious silence, the Xm5 is your best bet. So, which one's better? It's clear that the Sony WH-1000 Xm5 is our overall winner. They offer better performance in most categories and come in at a lower price point. It's a tough combination to beat. But hold up. Before you rush off to buy a pair, let's take a moment to talk about the Sonos Ace. While it might not have come out on top in our showdown, it's important to remember that this is Sonos' first foray into the world of headphones, and for a first attempt, it's not bad at all. The Ace shows promise, especially with features like TV audio swap that integrate well with other Sonos products. If you're already invested in the Sonos ecosystem, these might still be worth considering. However, if you're just looking for the best wireless headphones regardless of brand, the Sony WH-1000 Xm5 is hard to beat. They offer top-notch sound quality, excellent noise cancellation, and a feature set that'll make any tech enthusiast grin from ear to ear. And here's one last pro tip before we wrap up. For the absolute best deals on the Sony Xm5 and the Sonos Ace, make sure to check out those links in the description box. You might just find a bargain that'll make your decision even easier. Remember, at the end of the day, the best headphones are the ones that make your favorite music sound amazing to you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech comparisons. And hey, let us know in the comments which pair of headphones you'd choose and why. Until next time, happy listening.